Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create serial number from 1 to 100 in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then show the Excel document from. Then now I can say is showing the correct serial number from the 1 to 100. Firstly, now select from the mouse cursor, then any row and column. Now, firstly, from the one type from. Now, going to the home menu option. Now, going to the fill option. Now, for click, then click for the series option. Now, click for the columns option. Then step below is the first step below is 1 and step below 2 is the from the 100. Now click for OK. That's it. Then show the character serial number from 1 to 100. It's very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.